Well, it's a miserable rainy day here in Plymouth. Very miserable, very wet. But it's also very foggy and very misty. Pretty much everywhere. So I'm heading off down to a location not far from me called Hooe Lake. And I've photographed it a couple of times before. It's a great place. It's got some really nice sort of wrecked boats on the lake, and I'm thinking in the mist or the fog, if I can get close enough, it's going to look really ethereal and sort of ghostly, and I think it's going to look really cool. Okay, so not far away now to the location, and the fog is actually getting a bit thicker down here, but then so is the rain, getting heavier. So, oh well, you can't have everything. I'll just have to try and make sure, keep the rain off my lens. Rain has eased off a bit, which is good. It's still a bit drizzly, but it's not too bad. Not so much fog down here. I was hoping there would be, but we're not near the lake yet, so we'll see what it looks like when I get there. Couple of minutes walk down this path to the location, so I'm hoping there's a nice bit of fog on the water, and that'll give a bit of atmosphere, because without it it's not going to look nothing at all, because as you can see the sky is completely whited out, grey. So we're going to need a bit of fog to give a bit of interest and a bit of atmosphere. Right, so my first shot is going to be this here. So I'm shooting at f11, ISO 100, and I've got a shutter speed of 30 seconds because I've got a filter on there, an ND filter. Two-second timer, mirror's locked up. Take the shot. Okay, so my next shot is going to be this wreck here. and I'm going to use the wall as a leading line into it, and I'm going to get some of the water in there in the foreground, and I'm going to angle it kind of like that so that zoomed in slightly, so the shot is going to look kind of like that. So you've got the wall, a bit of the water there, and the main focal point. Okay, so 30 seconds exposure again, f11, ISO 100, and I'm trying to keep everything dry here. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is head over to the other side of the lake, to those boats over there. So we're pretty close now to the other boats. You just got to come down here through the trees. Pretty muddy and slippy down here. And kind of, it's not too bad when the tide's out, but when it's in, it comes right up almost to the hedgerow. So you got to be pretty careful. Right, so that's the shot I'm going for. So it's this boat, obviously, with some of these rocks in the foreground and then the water. Unfortunately, the fog has almost entirely lifted. So, in fact, it has, it's gone. So, it's not going to be quite the shot I wanted, but... Right, so I've got f8, ISO 100. Focused on the boat. I've got a filter on, so I've got a 30-second exposure. 2-second timer, mirror locked up. Right, so my next shot, and my last one of the day, because the light's fading now, is going to be this boat here. Not going to have that end of that boat in the shot. It's going to be more like that, with the water in the foreground, and that's going to be the shot, last one of the day. Okay, so f8. ISO 100, 30 seconds. Got the shot. Right, so that was Hooe Lake in Hooe Park, in a place called Hooe, near Plymouth, which is spelt H-O-O-E. It's a very popular spot for local photographers, and you can see why. So yeah, lovely spot, well worth a visit. Right, I'm going to end it there. See you later.